behalf of the United States Air Force and the commander of Air Combat Command, General Hawk Carlisle, the commander of Air Education and Training Command, Lieutenant General Darrell Robertson, and all the men and women of the Air Combat Command and Air Education and Training Command. We welcome you once again to Luke Air Force Base. I'm F-35 Heritage Flight Team Chief, Master Sergeant Sam Smith, from the 56th Fighter Wing, Luke Air Force Base. I'm here with our safety observer and F-35 instructor pilot, Captain Luke Outwater, from the 56th Fighter Wing, Luke Air Force Base. It is my distinct pleasure to describe for you today the United States Heritage Flight involving the newest and most technologically advanced fifth-generation fighter aircraft in the world. F-35 Lightning II. In 2015, the Air Force announced the F-35A Lightning II, the Air Force's newest and most advanced fifth-generation aircraft, will join the 2016 Heritage Flight. The F-35 you are about to see is a supersonic, multi-role aircraft that combines cutting-edge stealth with the most powerful and comprehensive integrated sensor package of any fighter aircraft in history. These capabilities allow F-35 pilots to penetrate the most hostile areas of the world without the threat of detection. The F-35 gives the United States Air Force the power to dominate the skies anytime and anywhere. Designed to provide the pilot with unsurpassed situational awareness, positive target identification, and precision strike in all weather conditions. The F-35 is the future of Air Force aviation. The F-35 pilot for today's Heritage Flight is Major Will Andriotta from Clifton, Virginia. Major Andriotta is a veteran fighter pilot with more than 1,800 hours in jet aircraft. Flying in formation today with F-35 is World War II era T-38, piloted by Mr. Steve Hinton. Launching Major Andriotta is our expert maintenance team, dedicated crew chiefs, Tech Sergeant James, Staff Sergeant Mercinger, and Staff Sergeant Curtin, and our avionics technician, Staff Sergeant Miller, also from the 51st AMU Luke Air Force Base.
Are you gonna watch? It's okay, there's nothing in the foil.
Before the aircraft arrived, I would like to take a moment to describe the unique history of what you are about to watch. In 1997, the leaders of Air Combat Command assembled a select group of retired military and civilian performers to celebrate the 50th anniversary of the United States Air Force. In 2010, the Air Force Heritage Flight Foundation joined with the United States Air Force to keep this popular program flying. From this gathering was born the Heritage Flight, a unique visual representation of Air Force history from days from the Army Air Corps to the present. sacrifices over the years have helped preserve America's freedom. We hope you enjoy watching this rare formation of classic current United States Air Force aircraft on a journey